So this is the DYU C2 folding e-bike.
It comes really well packaged in the box, and all you have to do is take it out, remove the packaging, unfold it, and then add the pedals. The pedals, of course, are folding as well.
Now the strange thing about this bike is that it's single speed, which means it's perfect for like cruising around. But you find yourself pedaling quite furiously when you reach the maximum speed. There is a sort of boost function, which I think is a really smart move. When you rev it from a stop, it gives you like a walking pace, basically 1 mile an hour, which is obviously legal in the UK. And when you start pedaling, the sensor picks up and starts pushing power into it. And it's quite a gradual release of power, which I find really good because then you're still actually cycling. But if you want the power to boost in straight away, you can press the accelerator, and if you're pedaling, it adds more of the power. So it's a smart way to get around the restrictions that we have here in the UK. Okay, so on this bike, we have 3 levels of pedal assist. So I'm going to start with 1. Pedal assist level 1 now. Let's see how much assistance this gives us. Cruising about 8 according to the speedometer, 8 miles an hour. Right, I'm going to come to a stop. Let's try 2. Okay, pedal assist 2. That's taking me up to 13. But yeah, the pedal assist kicks in easier, that's for sure. Yeah, so pedal assist 2 definitely kicks in quicker, gives you a bit more power. So this is an incline, but it feels like nothing, honestly. And this is only pedal assist 2. So let's go to 3. So to go between the different pedal assists, you just press the screen and it's like a rocker switch up and down. So we're in 3 now. So it doesn't come in suddenly, like you might expect. Yeah, the power gradually comes in. So as soon as I get it faster than 15, it just cuts the power straight away. There you go, you can hear that coming on and off. And because of the way it's geared exactly right to get up to 15. Right, let's try out this hill then. Oh, unbelievable. Whew. That's why we do it, for that view. Wow. I really didn't expect it would be able to do that. That's amazing. Comes with those ergonomic style hand grips. A lovely little bell. Now I quite like these kind of bells because when you've got a really loud horn, it's a bit abrupt for my British sensibilities. So I tend to not want to use it. So we also have a front headlight, which you turn on by holding up on the thing, like 5 seconds. That turns on your front headlight. And we also have a brake light that comes on so people can see you easier. And when you use the brakes, the brake light responds and flashes to show people you're slowing down. Pretty cool, huh? So I've added a different seat post. So I'm 6'3", and I wanted this to be in a position where I can put more power down by having the seat a bit higher. Now I did ride it a few times with the original seat, and it's a very relaxed, chilled cruising position. I liked it, but if you want to go on long rides, you want a proper saddle position, saddle height. So yeah, I added a seat post which costs £15 on Amazon. I'll put a link below if you want to have a look. You can see how maneuverable this is. Really good, really. Helps with the low centre of gravity for the wheels. I can nimbly smash it through. So as far as they go, this is a really impressive unit. It's amazing how small it folds down. So something perfect to chuck in the back of the car, or in your camper van, or just in a cupboard somewhere if you live in a small flat. That suspension works well, rear suspension. I was expecting a big bump then, but nah, absolutely pleasant. I'm going to keep it in pedal assist 3 and just see how far I can get. Coming up to 8 miles now. Now, another thing that seems obvious that I haven't mentioned is that as soon as you touch the brakes, it cuts out the power. So it makes it really, really efficient. You're not wasting any when you're trying to slow down and brake, like so. Oh, look, an obstacle course. So obviously this is designed for mountain bikes, this little course. So comment below if you think I should come back here and really rag it around without all the cameras and heavy bags. It seems to handle it fine, really. Use that lovely suspension. Oh, it is cushy. I'm really, really surprised by the suspension actually, because you know, this is not inexpensive, especially for an e-bike. This is a really good value bike, considering how nice it is. It's a great little ride, folds up really compactly. Battery's doing pretty good. Gives you plenty of juice, plenty of power. This is definitely a bike really well suited to mixed terrain. Maybe not stairs though. What are you doing? Don't just pull out in front of me, you idiot. You get some clown riders, but you just have to predict what people might do. And I thought he might do that. And so you're just ready and prepared. Luckily, the disc brakes on this bike, pretty reliable and strong, so no issue. I don't know, tell me in the comments below, was I in the right there for telling that guy off? So here we are, back again, it's the next day. So yeah, still on 3. I've been going for ages, I feel like. This thing's just never gonna die, I feel like. That's what, done 6 miles more, adding to the tally. It's dropped down to 1 bar. There's still juice. Yeah, oh, it's flashing at me now. So I think we're gonna die very, very soon. Whoa! Let's just wait and see what you do. Can you be that ignorant? Right, that's officially it. No more power. So right now, oh, look, it's actually just, yeah, I'm getting a warning light. It's not letting me up and down the power. So it's officially done. We did almost 8 miles in this ride with the other, I don't know, so we're looking at around 20 miles on power level 3. That is really not bad. But anyway, I better get home under my own power.